The Larson Electronics Power Distribution Substation converts three-phase 480-volt AC Delta electrical current into three-phase 208Y and 120-volt AC Wye. This fully enclosed power distribution unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC Delta power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. This power distribution unit is fully enclosed and ruggedly constructed to withstand demanding conditions and industrial applications. This power distribution system is constructed of steel with a polyester powder-coated blue finish for durability against dirt, moisture, and mild corrosion. The transformer and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a standard steel cube-style frame, resulting in an extremely stable, durable, and mobile power distribution platform. This temporary power distribution solution can be modified to meet the needs of job site receptacle requirements. This model is equipped with bottom-located forklift skid pockets and 4 top-located lifting eyelets, which allows easy lifting with cable or chain hooks. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.